Hi, and welcome back to PDQPD. Today's video is going to focus on the use of Google Calendar, and specifically how to set up your calendar for sharing and how to display someone else's calendar as an overlay in your calendar. The first thing I want to do here is set up my calendar to be available for sharing. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go over here into the left-hand column, and this is what's called the test user account. So you can see that calendar here. But under my calendars, there's a test user with a down arrow. You select the down arrow, you can go to calendar settings, and then from these settings, you have a lot of things you can do here, but I'm going to focus on the sharing. So let's go to the second option, which is share this calendar. Now I have some sharing options that are kind of similar to Google Docs. I can determine with whom I want to share this, and my options are share it publicly, or share it or not share it to start with. But if I share it, I can make the calendar public, which means anyone could import that and look at it on their calendar. Or I can choose to only share it with those in the Anderson Community School Corporation. And that's when I want to leave my default. I want the folks in Anderson Community School Corporation to see my calendar, but not people outside of that. And then once I've determined with whom I want to share it, I need to determine whether I want to show everything, which is all the event details. And that means for any event that I have scheduled, it'll give the description, whether it's a doctor's appointment or a faculty meeting or anything like that. Or I can choose to only see free and busy, which means it'll show the same blocks, but it'll only show those blocks as being busy. And for this one, sharing with the Anderson Community School Corporation, I want that to be see only, free, and busy. If there are individuals with whom I want to share this that I want to see the details of my events, I can go down here to the share with specific people, type in their email address, choose a different setting. So perhaps for this one, I want them to be able to see all event details. Or maybe I even want them to make changes to the events. But usually it's just going to be I want them to see the event details, and then I click Add Person. So my public calendar is still only available to ACSC, and it still only shows free and busy, but anyone that I specifically share this with will be able to see all event details. When I get this set up the way I want, I'm going to go back to the calendar, or I can click Save. Either way, it'll take me back to the calendar. And you can see I'm in the test user calendar. And there's nothing in it right now, so it's a pretty blank calendar. But let's go over here to other calendars. And in this case, I want to add my personal account calendar to this calendar. And here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to simply go into this box, and I'm going to type in my email address. And you can see it fills it in eventually. And when I select this, it shows all of these blocks of time where I'm scheduled. And you can see I have it set so that it's only busy or available. It doesn't say what I'm doing in these time blocks. And that's how I can add somebody's calendar. Now you can add multiple people's calendars. Let's say you want to add your entire department or your entire grade level calendars to your calendar in order to see when there are some commonly available times. And anytime you don't want to see a specific calendar on this but still leave it, you can click on the color for that person's name, and it turns them off and back on. So you can select everybody that you're shared with or only certain people. And when you are ready to get rid of this calendar permanently, when you no longer want that as one of your options, you can go to the pull down list and select hide this calendar from the list, and it goes away permanently. That's how you can set up your calendar for sharing, and then how you can add other folks' calendar to yours for scheduling purposes. I hope this will help with your scheduling efficiency. And as always, have a great day.